This is looking good. Next, let's go to our design here. Let's tackle these buttons. So we have a couple different styles. We have this very rounded version of a button here, and then we have the version with the tight corners here, and then down here, and also with the Contact Us Submit button. We'll save the Submit button until we're dealing with forms, but let's tackle the other ones. Let's start with the most common version, which is this tight rounded corner here. Now let's look at this closely. As we zoom in, we can see something interesting stylistically. So we have our rounded corner. We also have a slightly lighter border at the top and a slightly darker border at the bottom. They seem to be just different versions of this green, but a lighter and a darker version. And then our text here looks like it has a slight drop shadow. So it's not just flat text like we have on our other elements, but it kind of lifts off the page just a little bit. Okay, so most of this we can achieve using CSS we know already. However, the drop shadow is something new, and how we tackle the slightly different colors at the top and bottom is going to be a little unique as well.